It's a very breezy day today out by the pool where we're going to be testing out this Poolmate Hydro 3S. It is a pool vacuum that climbs walls as well as hopefully our incline. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package, demo this for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged really, really well to protect it during shipping. I don't think I've ever seen anything packed in this much foam, which is fantastic. So it includes a little duster so that you can remove any debris from the charging port before you charge this. That's actually really cool. We have a little hook that goes on any standard pole. As you can see, it's very self-explanatory. It doesn't require any setup, just charge and go. So there's just a regular little on-off switch here, and then you have these little grippies that will help it climb the wall. It's got tracks on either side instead of wheels, which is really, really nice. Then you have an extra handle here to lift up the basket. This is a really nice debris catcher. The charging port is right here on the back, and it does come with this nice rubber gasket to protect it from getting wet. On the bottom, you also have additional rubber feet and another rubber roller. This is probably the best looking pool robot vacuum cleaner I've ever seen. Once again, this is the Poolmate Hydro 3S. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, and then I'm just gonna drop it into the water. This did take just a little while to fill with water and sink to the bottom. I did have to manually assist it so that it landed with the bottom facing the pool floor. And then shortly after, it started to move all on its own. It is all the way up on the tile. It's scrubbing the tile. Are you serious? It's scrubbing the tile. Look, and then it just... I don't know if you could hear what my son was saying, but he was all excited about our new robot pool family. I was really impressed with how this climbed the walls and how it cleaned the pool. It was very meticulous, and it basically was not mapping exactly, but it seemed like it was mapping the inside of the pool. It worked really great in tandem with our solar pool skimmer. They did bump into each other a few times, but it was all good. It didn't affect the performance of either one. Getting it out of the pool and cleaning it was just as easy as putting it in the pool. It picked up a good amount of debris off the bottom of the pool that I couldn't even see. The pool was fairly clean when I started, but there was quite a bit of small little particulates that I couldn't see with my eyes. That is what they call algae food. So I'm very glad that this was able to get that small particulate. If you're looking for a new pool vacuum for an in-ground pool or one with a steep incline, I would highly recommend this one. Poolmate, this has now become my favorite product of the summer of 2025.
A sea crustacean that eats the walls.